Greetings from Team Fetosense. In this video, we will have a short demo of Fetosense Plus Smart CTG machine. So as you can see, the machine is very small and compact. As you can see, we have a main unit and a display. So for the main unit contains of all the probes and movement marker. For switching the main unit on, there is one orange button here. We just need to long press the orange button. The display will come alive like this. That means the machine has been activated now. And on the front side, it has US1 probe and US2 probe. And on the side, it has a movement marker. And on the back side of the main unit, we have a speaker, which is inbuilt speaker, and a Toco probe. So for switching on the probes, you just need to remove the US1 from the main unit and it automatically gets switched on. As you can see, the display is on, and you can also able to see here the battery level indicator, just like we have in our mobile phones. So in the same manner, you can switch on the US2 also and the Toco also. And for the movement marker, you just need to remove it and give it to the patient's hand. If the patient is feeling any movements in the baby, he just need to click on this movement marker like this. It will create a beep sound and mark the movement on the graph. So now we will see how we can perform the test in the machine itself. So first of all, you just need to open the tablet. So on the home screen, there is an application named Fetosense Plus itself. So we just need to open this application. So this is the home screen. The machine gets automatically connected to the tablet. So for performing the test, you just need to click on the start button. I'll just click on the start button. You can just enter the patient details over here. Right now I'm entering a dummy data. Click on next. You can select the age of the patient, select the LMP of the patient, and click on next. So now we are on the test screen. So as you can see, the graph is divided into two parts basically. The bigger graph, which is on the upper side, and the smaller graph, which is on the downer side. On the bigger graph, which is on the upper side, we will plot the reading of the FHR probe, which is US1 probe and US2 probe. And on the below, on the downer side, there we have a smaller graph where we plot the reading of the Toco probe, which is this probe. So as you can see on the top, we have a time durations panel here where we can see how much time the test has been happened. So right now it is 00 because we have not started the test. On the right side, we have a small control panel from where we can see FHR1 reading, FHR2 reading, and the Toco count. So I'll just start the test. So for the demo purpose, I'll just remove the FHR1 and tap it so that we can get some dummy readings. So as you can see, now it has been detecting the readings. So if there is any and the machine also gives you alarm for abnormal situations, like if there is any tachycardia or bradycardia scenario, then in that case machine starts alarming, just for indicating to the doctor that there is some abnormality during the test. As you can see here, the machine has been detected automatic movement marking. So machine is telling that here there has been a movement and it is automatically marked by the machine. And if there is no FHR is detecting by the FHR, then the machine also starts alarming like this and gives you indication that the baby has moved or FHR is not getting traced by the FHR probe. So this is how you can perform the test in Fetosense machine. Plus, after the test, you will also be able to see the color codings. For example, if there is any acceleration part in the graph, for example here, so that part will be highlighted in green color. If there is any deacceleration, so that part will be highlighted in red color. And if there is any signal loss, that means if we have started the test and in between the baby has moved and we are not able to see the graph, then that part is called signal loss, and that part will be highlighted in gray color. So right now I'll just stop the test. After stopping the test, it is asking me test saved successfully. view test or new test. So I'll just click on view test. So after the test is done, the test gets saved in this manner. So on the left side, you can be able to see the graph. On the right side, we can see the readings of the test. Basically, the basal heart rate, the acceleration, deacceleration, short-term variability, long-term variability, both the probes, FHR1 and FHR2. And on the downside, we can see duration, for how much duration we have performed the test, and plus moments, how many moments were done. And on the top side, we have some small buttons like share option and print option. If there is any Wi-Fi printer is connected to the tablet, so we can take printout on normal A4 size paper. And if any wired printer is connected to a computer, so we also have a computer app in which all the tests which we have performing here can be able to monitor by a computer, and also they can print out from computer itself on normal A4 size paper. I'll just go back. So if you go back, if you want to see the previous mother's test, so just need to click on this search button. Here you can be able to see all the previous mother's test. If you want to view any mother's test completely in a full screen manner, you just need to click on the home screen, and this is how you can see the actual test. And if you want to perform the test of the same mother, you just need to open the test of that same patient and click on new test. It will automatically get connected and directly take you to the test screen. So second time, you doesn't need to enter details. It will automatically take you to the test screen, because it has created a digital profile of the patient when you registered the patient for the first time. Yeah, so this is how it operates. So for the charging purpose, on the machine itself, on the right side, we have a socket here. From here, you can charge the main unit. And for the tablet, you have a Type-C cable here. From here, you can charge it. So this is a short demo of Fetosense Plus Smart CTG machine. Thank you.